Hello, my name is Nikki and welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Today we are going to be moving around the house and we are going to be doing acts of washing, cleaning the table and all those others. More like house chores. So let's begin.
Good. So right now, I'll do this and say, if you want to wipe the table, you say, yueyo mesa. Wiping the table is, let's say together, yueyo mesa. So, just wipe the table and then I'll ask you, Nikki, itimo ango?
Ayueyo mesa.
Itimo ango?
Ayueyo mesa.
Ayueyo mesa. Say ayueyo mesa.
Ayueyo mesa.
Yueyo. Say yueyo.
Yueyo.
Ayueyo mesa.
Ayueyo mesa.
Correct. That is yueyo mesa, the act of wiping a table. So let's move on to something else. And then the next thing we do is, of course, food. That is tedo. Now tedo is cook. So we shall cook some food. So Nikki, itimo ango?
Atedo.
Atedo. Itimo ango?
Atedo.
Atedo. So the act of cooking is called tedo. So when you're cooking like that, you say atedo. Nikki, itimo ango?
Atedo.
Itimo ango?
Atedo.
Atedo. Itimo ango?
Atedo.
Correct. So let's move on to something else. Let's move on now. Here. So washing utensils. Now utensils is called sende. Say sende.
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 Not sende. Sende.
Sende.
Yes, sende. So just open up the tab. So when I ask you what you're doing, you'll say aluoko sende. That means you're washing utensils. Nikki, itimo ango?
Aluoko sende.
Aluoko sende. Aluoko sende. Aluoko sende. Nikki, itimo ango?
Aluoko
Sende. Aluoko sende. So sende is also divided into many parts. For example, now you're washing spoons. Now spoons are called kijiko. So when you're washing spoons, just bring back the spoon. When you're washing spoons, you say aluoko kijiko. Nikki, itimo ango?
Aluoko kijiko.
Just take this so that it's lit. Aluoko kijiko. Now, when you're washing what is this? A plate?
Yes.
Plate is called san. So, aluoko san. You say aluoko san. Itimo ango?
Aluoko san.
Aluoko san. Smile to the camera. Say aluoko san.
Aluoko san.
Correct. So let's move on to something else. Now, when you're washing, this. When you're washing clothes, take some clothes, take some wash clothes. There, down there. So when you're washing clothes, you say, aluoko leuni. Aluoko
Leuni.
So wash clothes, a cloth is called lao. So aluoko leuni. So itimango?
Aluoko leuni.
Aluoko lao. Now that is one lao, that is just one. But if there are many, you say leuni. Aluoko leuni. So aluoko leuni. Good. So move on. Let's move on to something else. And here. Now this is a broom. A broom is called UH. So a broom is called UH. UH. This is a broom. So please take the UH. Now, the act of sweeping is called yuecho. Yuecho. Say yuecho.
Yuecho.
Louder. Yuecho.
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 Yes, yuecho. So when I ask Nikki iti mango, you say a yuecho. Nikki iti mango?
A yuecho.
A yuecho. Iti mango?
A yuecho.
A yuecho. Correct?
Yes.
Good. Now let's move on to something else. And this is an iron box. Now an iron box is called pass. An iron box is called pass. So we want to iron the clothes, and ironing clothes is called goyo pass. Ironing is called goyo pass. So Nikki itimango
Agoyo pass.
agoyo pass. That means you're ironing clothes. Agoyo pass. So if you're folding clothes, on the other hand, bring the clothes to be folded. If you're folding clothes, so if you're folding clothes like that, you say abano leuni. Abano leuni. Abano is A-B-A-N-O. Abano leuni. So abano leuni. So Nikki itimango?
Abano leoni.
Abano leuni. That means you're folding clothes. Abano leuni. Correct? Good. So let's just finish it off. You can come to the camera and finish it off.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you check out our other episodes of the 52-week challenge. Remember to subscribe and turn the notification bell to never miss a video. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti, goodbye!